If you want to connect Telegram to Whop, then here's what you're going to do. Connecting Telegram allows you to grant paying members access to private groups or channels. First, you're going to add the Telegram app. So from your admin dashboard, you're just going to head over to your profile right here. And then from your account settings, you're going to see this left side menu. You're going to click on connected accounts. Now from here, you're just going to click on Telegram. And then after that, you're going to follow all of the prompts right here. So you're going to open Telegram, and then you're going to have to search for this Whop bot right here. You're just going to copy that, and then we're going to open the Telegram. So this one, you can click on start port or open in web. So we're just going to check what we have to do. So as you can see, we have to start a conversation with a bot by clicking start or sending start. So we're going to click on start bot. Now, after we click on Start Bot, we're just going to have to copy and send this code to the bot and then wait for confirmation. So basically, each account actually has a unique code to them. So just make sure that you take a look at your own code and then send it to the bot immediately. And then you're just going to have to wait for confirmation. This dialog will close automatically when connected. So every time you click on Telegram right here, this dialog will no longer come up because your Telegram would have been connected already. And that's it. If you're planning to sign up and start selling on Whop, please use the link in the description box to get direct access to our exclusive perks on maximizing your community earnings. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.